Welcome to day 2 of our series. Today, we are diving into prompt engineering and strategy. Mastering this skill will significantly enhance the quality of the outputs you get from AI.
A prompt is more than just a question. It acts as a control layer. Think of it as a skill, like coding. Practice improves your results. Remember, garbage in equals garbage out. Zero-shot prompting is about giving direct tasks without examples. It is perfect for simple, daily productivity tasks like quick translations, summarization, or polishing emails. Few-shot prompting involves providing a few examples to guide the AI on the desired output pattern. This is highly effective for complex tasks requiring specific tones or structures.
The RTF framework helps you create structured prompts using 4 key elements: role, context, task, and format. This ensures your instructions are comprehensive and clear for the AI. By assigning a role, such as act as a senior marketing strategist, you set the AI's perspective and expertise level, significantly improving the quality and relevance of its response. Using prompt templates for recurring business tasks ensures consistency across your team. Simply define your template with variables and fill them in as needed to save time. Prompt optimization is an iterative process. Observe the output, identify what is missing, and refine your prompt. Even minor adjustments can lead to significantly better results. The clear strategy framework serves as a vital checklist. Before finalizing your prompt, ensure you have addressed context, length, examples, audience, and refinement.
Avoid common mistakes like being too vague, neglecting to provide context, overcrowding a prompt with too many tasks, or failing to specify the output format.
This case study illustrates the difference between a weak prompt, which yields generic advice, and a strong, structured prompt, which produces specific and actionable plans. Now it is time for some hands-on practice. Choose a real task, write a basic prompt, then rewrite it using the RTF framework and compare the results. To wrap up day 2, remember that prompts are control layers. Frameworks like RTF and Clear are your best tools, and iteration is the key to mastering AI output.